Yeah. So that's Jimmy. That's Jimmy. That's Andre. Nico. Remizo. Jimmy. Remizo. This right here is Donald B. He's a DJ. It's a vlog. Yeah. You know my best friend David.
Yeah, everybody know David.
David.
And David, sick out.
Yeah. And white rice. I mean Matthew. Matthew. Sorry, Parboy. And Yano.
It's really interesting for me to start the vlog today, guys. I'm being introduced to like the whole crew, you know what I mean?
Ready?
When you're on a holiday, you can't find the words to say all the things that come to you, and I wanna feel it too. On an island in the sun.
Like the legit playing Chinese telephone, sending Judah's message on.
That's all we can Great, call her back. Pass on the message on. One to the kids today. No, pass it to the play Chinese telephone. Can I Wait, wait here.
Chinese telephone, dog.
I said, should I call Gabby and ask her where she is? I don't want to get away. Why did I call you? We're playing Chinese telephone. Don't believe us that you can keep them.
Yeah, the hardest thing about this is like girls speaking both, like the entire level of code is like Bluetooth, wireless, yo, listen up, code 1, 2, 3. Yeah, man, it's like. Over there's Curl Gang. I need to be one with my people. So we get this typical, they call it, what is it, Musgrave?
Yeah.
See what is it like? I had the drink before, probably twice.
Joy, are you okay? On a scale of 1 to 10. On a scale of 1 to 10. So which girl at the curly hair table you gave link tonight? Oh, that's right. That's right. Easy, my journal.
talk to them, man. That'll be nice.
Yeah. Go talk to one of them now, no? D for the vlog.
Do it for the vlog.
Do the vlog.
Do it for the vlog.
Yeah, but always. So finish the story. What's next? What you get afterwards today? Alright, feel out the one at the end then. Dre! But that's what you need. You need somebody who listens. Yes. Dre, the one right there so beside him, the white top. Yeah. No, the one right there. The other one beside him. With the hoop. Yeah. Hi. Are you guys okay? Pick one more. Pick one. Are you guys okay? That one?
Get it, buddy.
No, this is the vlog.
Get it, buddy. Do it for the vlog.
Do it for the vlog. Yeah, alright. Hey. Polly Fred, the hoop. The hoop? No, the hoop one right here, that one. Yeah.
Oh, snap. They're actually doing it.
Hi. Here.
Oh, yeah, buddy. Yeah.
Huh? You like that one with the ponytail? I'll share it.
I mean, these are party, you know. These are party. Where's the clothes? These are party. Where's the clothes?
So just for you guys to know what's happening, like they're pretty much there in Dre. I talk to those girls over there, talk to the Curl gang, and they're over there just sleep.
Yeah, Nico, what's happening? Nico's up to date. Brother, you're not the young job. What's happening? Who's birthday? Buy her a drink. Yeah, you get not seats at the Curly Gang table.
Yo, so it's one of them birthdays, so he's buying her a drink.
Shot.
Get her a shot.
Tequila shot. Tequila shot.
Shot.
Tequila shot. Get her a tequila shot. Tequila. Yes, sir. Great. Let's come to the table. Come here, boom. She's too far. We're not here. No? You have a comb. Jay. Big boss.
Oh, bring up to the vlog, man.
Oh, what about you, man? Say hi to the vlog. How old are you? Oh, okay. Yeah, baby, yeah. You need a little training. Hi. more guys are friends. 2 more guys are friends. 4 more guys are friends. Great. You get it? You get it at the top. Slide down and kiss it down.
The one with the stripes.
Why the friend come right this out? Tequila shot. Why the friend come right this? Tequila shot. Where's tequila shot?
I don't want to share with me.
So which one you bring to the table?
Tonight we like actually invaded other people's like table, and it was one of their birthdays. So we just here messing around, man, just having fun. Yeah, her. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
How you doing?
Oh my God. Yes. What's up?
Like Loki, TJ takes forever to come with a shot. Like if you just repel the shot and just come same time, the vibe will just right. You probably win like 50 minutes of shot. Just kill the whole vibe. Remember.
So the shots them ready. Yo, distribute the shots. Distribute the shots. Distribute the shots. Into it.
Wait, where's the last one?
Let's see your shot.
Let's go.
The screen camera. The screen camera. The screen camera.
Okay, are you guys ready?
No. Alright, guys, everybody have to take that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, go. So on the go, you guys take the shots. So on the table, on the table, on the table, on the table. On the table, no touching, no touching. You guys ready? On the table. I like it. I see that. No hands, no hands, no hands. Don't touch it yet. Don't touch it till your hair goes. Don't touch it till your hair goes. No, baby girl. No. All right, ready? No touching till your hair goes.
Shots by Jay. You know. Birthday girl.
Alright, ready guys? 1, no touching, chin. 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, no, she's just Shake cool, shake cool, shake cool. No,
Let's go.
no.
One, two, three, go. You guys are fun in a cab, right? Get home safety. Don't throw up tonight.
Stage one of the fucker.
So guys, one more.
Every time, no jump shot for the birthday girl. Let's go.
Yeah. 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 What's that? One squeeze now? One squeeze, one squeeze, one squeeze. Ah! Hold him, hold him, hold him. Hey, 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 hey. Someone's in trouble.